Welcome to Pure Mathematics 1, Chapter 8, Vectors, Topic Vector Calculation. So now we'll do some calculation with the vectors. The first one is multiplying a vectors with a scalar, or maybe a number. Scalar in here means numbers, it just contain magnitude, so it is a numbers. If I have these vectors, 4i minus 9j, want to multiply them by 2. Just do like simple math, 8i minus 18j. Very simple. If I have 3 multiplied by this vectors, 9 minus 9, 4, 0. So I have my new vectors is minus 27, 12, and 0. Let's take 3 multiplied by minus 9, we get minus 27, we write here. Keep going with the 4 and the 0, we get 12 and zeros. It's really easy, huh? And the next one is a negative of a vectors. And for the negative of vectors, for this one, then we have a vector A. When we make the negative of that vector, we have another vector which has the same magnitude but different direction. So we go that minus A, vector minus A. If we have minus of 4i plus 3j plus 9k, we would have something like this: minus 4i minus 3j minus 9k. Same length but different direction, so we change the sign of this one. We have minus of 23 minus 1 and 4, and this one will be minus 23 here and 1 and 4. You change the sign of it. And now we'll look for 2 more calculations related to vectors. The first one will be adding, which is it's just like simple math really. 3i plus 4k, this vector plus with another vector which is 9j plus 3k. So we have only 3i, so we will write down 3i. We have k in here, so we have 7k plus 9i. And the second one is subtracting, and it's also easy math too. We have a vectors 4k minus 3i minus 9i plus 4k minus 4j. So for this one, 4k minus 4k would be no k in here, minus 3i, here is minus 9i would be plus 9i, so we have 6i, and we have minus of minus 4j, so we have plus 4j. So our final value is 6i plus 4j. And now we will look for a term which is called the unit vectors. So bear in mind that unit vectors are vectors has magnitude equal to 1. I have a vectors 3i plus 5j, and I want to find the unit vectors of this one. And first I have to find the length of this one. The length would be equal to square root of 3 squared plus 5 squared, which is equal to square root of 34. And then our unit vector would be the all vectors divided by the length of the vectors, and we have 3 over square root of 34I plus 5 over square root of 34J. You can see that now we want to find the length of this one. Look at here. We have the length of this one of the unit vectors will be 3 square over 34 plus 5 square over 34, which is equal to 1. So to find unit vectors is a part of vectors which have the magnitude equal to 1. Now we are going to solve this question in order to understand more about vector calculation. Related to an origin O, the position vectors of point A and B are given by this one. Given that C is a point such that AC equal to 2AB, and find unit vectors in the direction of OC. So first of all, we have AB and AC, and we have OA and OB. From here, we can calculate AB first, and then we have AB equal to OB minus OA. Remember a rule for this one. If you have 2 points like CD, remember the position vectors of the one behind minus the position vectors of those one stand in front. Okay, we have 3, 2 minus 4 minus 4, 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1, 1 and minus 2 here. And now we have AC equal to 2 multiplied by AB. So AC equal to 2 multiplied by 1, 1 minus 2 equal to minus 2, 2 minus 4. Okay. And now we have AC. Is there any relationship between AC and OC? We know that AC equal to OC minus OA. And now we have OA and AC, so we can calculate OC equal to OA plus with AC, which is equal to this one. AC equal to minus 2, 2 and minus 4 plus with OA, which is 4, 1 and minus 2, and we have the result of this one equal to 2, 3 and minus 6. They say here, find the unit vectors in the direction of OC, and in order to find unit vector, we have to find the length of vector OC. Length of OC, modulus of OC equal to square root of 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 6 square, which is square root of 49 equal to 7. So the unit vector OC equal to 1 over 7 multiplied by 2, 3 minus 6. You can leave it like this, or if you want to make one form only, you can use this one. This one is okay too. 2 over 7, 3 over 7, or minus 6 over 7 here. It's how we can solve a question related to vector calculation.